Hello everyone, I, Gini Bharadwaj, welcome you to Vidya Bharati Punjab Weekly English News Bulletin. Let's begin with the Subhashit and Amrit Vachan of Pran Sanskrit Vishay Pramukh Shri Budhya Ramji.
यथार्थ कथनम यज्जा सर्वलोक सुख प्रदम तत्सत्यम इति वेद्येयम् असत्यम तद्विपर्ययः। जो बात जैसी हो उसे वैसा ही कहना और जो सबको सुख देने वाली हो उसे ही सत्य समझना चाहिए। इसके विपरीत जो हो वह असत्य है। अमृत वचन। समस्याएं उतनी शक्तिशाली नहीं होती जितनी हम उन्हें मान लेते हैं। कभी किसी ने सुना है कि अंधेरे ने सुबह नहीं होने दी। भारत माता की जय।
Now, let's have a look at the headlines of the past week. Schools to get reopened in Punjab from July 26th. National Education Policy 2020 has been made with the goal of making India a global superpower, said Shri Deshraj Sharma, Mahamantri Vidya Bharati North Zone. Kaushal Vibhag Pran Pramukh Usha Chaudhary said, "Our heritage, our value." Environment Week is being celebrated in Sharda Sarvitkari. Selfie with Plant campaign launched in Hoshiarpur. Sarvitkari Keshav Vidya Niketan Jalandhar organized teachers pickle making competition. Prakashvati Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Jalandhar concluded vaccination camp. Teachers of Sarvitkari Tapa planted saplings on their birthday and marriage anniversary. Meeting to make Sarat Tiranga Yatra successful concluded. Formative result up to class 5th given in Rampura Phul Sarvitkari. Aid given by Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti to Corona affected employees. Havan for the world's peace was performed at Vidyadham, Jalandhar. Now the news in detail. The coronavirus cases in Punjab have now calmed down to a great extent, after which the decision has been taken by the state government to open schools in the state. Under the orders issued by the government, schools will get reopened in Punjab from the next week. Taking the decision to open the school from July 26, the government has ordered that in the first phase the schools will open for only classes 10th to 12th. These classes will be taught in the school itself. Along with this, orders have been given that only those staff or teachers will be present in the school who have got both the doses of the vaccine, and only those students will be able to take classes whose parents will give their consent. By giving information about the rich heritage of India to the young generation, this Education Policy 2020 has been created with the aim of creating a sense of self-respect for their great ancestors and traditions. We have got a great opportunity in the form of this Education Policy 2020. We have to put our full strength to implement it. These passionate words were given by the Vidya Bharati North Zone Mahamantri Shri Deshraj Sharma at Vidyadham Jalandhar for the implementation of the National Education Policy in the workshop. It is noteworthy that the two-day meeting of Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti Punjab started on 13 July at Vidyadham Jalandhar, which ended on 14 July. In this workshop, the implementation of the National Education Policy 2020 was seriously planned. Our heritage, our value. Along with skill development in the students, a sense of self-respect towards the rich heritage is also to be built. Self-employment opportunities are to be created by making students proficient in local folk arts and handicrafts. This is the aim of Vidya Bharati's Kaushal Vikas Samiti Punjab. These words were said by Usha Chaudhary, Kaushal Vikas Samiti Punjab Pramukh on Skill Development Day. It is worth mentioning that Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti has decided that on 6th of June every year, Skill Development Day will be celebrated by the Shiksha Samiti. The guidance of Shri Vijay Nadda ji was also received on this occasion. Environment Awareness Week is being celebrated from 17 July at Sharda Sarvitkari Model Senior Secondary Vidya Mandir, Chandigarh. The students of classes 6th, 7th and 8th are participating in this program who made posters showing the need for environmental protection. On this occasion, Principal Mrs. Archana told the students in detail about the use of 3 types of dustbins. Under Selfie with Plant campaign, all the teachers of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Hoshiarpur participated by planting tulsi in the school premises. This campaign was jointly run by the Shiksha Samiti. All the students and parents of the school also participated in it. Students and parents took selfies by planting saplings and also took a pledge to protect the plants. Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti Punjab's Kaushal Vibhag is organizing various competitions for teachers and students at the state level. Under these competitions, the competition of making pickle was organized at the school level for the teachers in Sarvitkari Keshav Vidya Niketan Jalandhar, and the best of them were selected and handed over to the Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti. On 16 July, second vaccination camp was organized in the premises of Prakashwati Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Jalandhar, in which people participated enthusiastically. Around 150 people were given the first and second doses of COVID shield. Keeping in mind the guidelines of COVID-19, full care was taken of sanitization and social distancing. On this occasion, Rajesh Baliji from Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and Dr. Surbi Civil Hospital and Dr. Shubham from the Ministry of Health were present along with their team. Plantation of saplings was done on 17 July at Sarvitkari Senior Secondary Vidya Mandir Tapa on the wedding anniversary of teacher Monica and birthday of Anita Bansal. Along with this, Dr. Sethi Ram Bansal, member of the district committee, also took a pledge to save the earth by planting saplings. Principal Sri Rakesh Gupta said that we can save our environment by planting saplings, and all teachers should take a pledge to make the environment clean by planting saplings around them on their birthdays or on any other auspicious occasion. On the occasion of 400th year of the birth anniversary of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji and Golden Jubilee of Sarvitkari, an important meeting to make Sarat Tiranga Yatra successful was concluded at Madhav Vidya Niketan Amritsar on 17th of July under the guidance of Shri Vijay Nadda Ji. The meeting began with the release of the portrait of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. In this meeting, the planning of the Padal Tiranga Yatra was discussed. Describing the purpose of this Yatra, Shri Bodhraj Ji, the convener of this Yatra, said that through this, we'll try to know whether the people living on the border have enough basic facilities, including education or not. At Lala Kasturi Lal Sarvitkari Senior Secondary Vidya Mandir Rampura Phool, formative 1 result of classes LKG to 5th has been declared from 5th to 10th July. This was given to the parents in the parent-teacher meeting. In this meeting, teachers also discussed with parents about the difficulties of students and parents in online classes in this era of COVID-19 along with their solutions. On behalf of Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti Punjab, a cheque of 10,000 rupees was sent to the corona-affected employees and teachers of Jitendra Bir Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Mohali. It was handed over by Shri Ashok Kumar Jain, Manager of School Management Committee, Vice Principal Shri Manoj Kumar and Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti Mantri Srimati Pratibha Gupta. On 16 July, a Havan was organized at Vidya Dham Jalandhar for world peace and protection from the third wave of corona. Prayers were also offered after the Havan. Talking in this regard, Shri Vijay Nadda Ji said that we are trying our best to avoid the third wave of corona. Instructions have been given to take all possible measures to prevent this. Now, presenting under our Vidya Mandir series, a beautiful presentation of the Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Khudi.
हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन। धन से मन से धन से तन मन धन जीवन से, धन से मन से धन से तन मन धन जीवन से हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, आराधन करें राष्ट्र आराधन। अंतर से मुख से कृत से निश्चल हो निर्मल मत से, श्रद्धा से मस्तक नत से हम करें राष्ट्र अभिवादन, हम करें राष्ट्र अभिवादन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम हम करे राष्ट्र आराधन आराधन करे राष्ट्र आराधन।
Now, a presentation of Shishu Vatika. That's all for this week. See you in the next bulletin. Jai Hind.